Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Zombo Land Crafting. So I got a box in the mail today. I know it's not Christmas yet, and I know I didn't order it. So, what's in the box? Oh man, I have got to have the best mother in the entire world. Nobody else's mother is as good as mine. So inside this amazing box is, oh my goodness, look at this thing. Oh my god, I got too many boxes. I got three things going on. Look at this, the Lego Typewriter. Oh, hell yeah. So, Lucy, how many pieces is this big bad boy? It is 2,079 pieces. So I am going to go ahead and set my camera up, and we're going to have a little time lapse of me putting this bad boy together, because I can't wait. Christmas comes early for somebody who, you know, lives by themselves. The cats aren't going to tell on me. This video might, but I won't if you won't. Anyway, alright, I'm going to set the camera up, and we are going to time lapse a build of this. Stick around.
to make you stay a little longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a little longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Been having trouble to sleep now for a couple of nights. Need to rebuild myself to come alive. It all makes sense now, now that the lights out. It's a different world to me, it makes me feel down. Wait until the storm comes down, until the sleep comes and makes it alright. Waiting for the morning Been having trouble to sleep now for a couple of nights. Need to rebuild myself to come alive. It all makes sense now, now that the lights out. It's a different world to me, it makes me feel down. Wait until the storm comes down, until the sleep comes and makes it alright. Waiting for the morning light.
you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Flutter, flutter. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah. I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts down, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday.
Well, so about 4 hours. Like I said, it was 2,000. How many pieces did they say it was? On the box. 2,079 pieces, and it is the Typewriter set number 21327. My mother bought this for me for Christmas. Best mother in the entire world. It's gonna go awesome next to the grand piano that I have there, and the bus, and I've got a Lego problem. Let's be honest, I have a perfectly big, healthy Lego problem, but awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this little time lapse of me putting together this typewriter. I mean, how cool is that? I mean, it's even got the ribbon, and yeah, of course, only the middle one actually operates, but you can press any of the keys and it actuates a bar in the back to make it look like it's typing, you know, and then the actual roller in the back, you know, you could actually stick some paper in it and roll it, and then you got the pushing mechanism. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it's so great. Anyway, I'm cutting down here because I'm getting hungry and I'm getting thirsty because, you know, you probably noticed I didn't drink too much the entire time. 4 hours worth of doing this. Woo! So that was fun. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Probably going to be a video game and not a crafting thing, but I'm extremely happy. Nothing like ending the work week with a kick-ass Lego project. So, see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye!